It feels like you're able to kind of predict the future and add a lot of scale to things that are literally impossible for a human to do, right? So I hope that helps, okay? Abhishek, I think that's a repeat question. Abhishek, which cloud is good for ML, Azure, AWS? I think that is. Aya, good to see you. Aya, can you one day talk to us about Redshift? I'm not informed enough to talk about Redshift, unfortunately. I wish I was. You know, some of these later technologies, you know, I'm kind of embarrassed to say it, but I kind of had staff to do that for me, right? So I'm not informed enough to be able to talk intelligent about Redshift. So I'm staying in my lane, Aya. So I'm sorry I have to turn you down, but if there's other questions you have, certainly happy to help, okay? Ramcho, let us know where you're from. Sir, does university or CLG matter in Canada if we're pursuing bachelor's of computer science? What is a CLG? Am I missing that? What is a CLG? Is that like a certificate of some kind? Let me know what you mean by that, Ramcho. Deadlord? Deadlord, good to see you. Hope you're well. Deadlord, did you come on Sunday? I think you were there on Sunday, weren't you? Hi Dennis, I started reading a book called Fundamentals of Data Engineer. Good for you. And I am thinking about getting the Azure Data Fundamentals. Okay, cool. That sounds like a reasonable path. I have no idea what they teach in the, in Azure Data Fundamentals. I can probably make some guesses around their database product, but that sounds like a reasonable way to start off. So let us know how that works out, Deadlord. Lanry says, I am from Lagos, Nigeria. I am in Belgium studying a bachelor's degree in data science, security, and protection. Very cool. That sounds like an interesting course to study, and I've heard Belgium's a beautiful country, so I hope you're doing well there. Thanks for checking in, Lanry.